Today is Tablescape Tuesday, and I will be doing a Ralph Lauren Christmas table setting. Now, you know, he is really big this year, and a lot of his tablescapes and clothes and so forth have gone viral. Hi, my name is Cindy, aka Z9designs. If you are inspired by Ralph Lauren Christmas settings, sit back, relax, have some eggnog. So the tablescape today is from several items. Some are thrifted, some are from TJ Maxx recently, some are from Home Goods, Dollar Tree, Michael's, and Pure One when it was in business, and Target probably 2021. Ralph Lauren Christmas is really in gear this year, and I love the red and green plaid home decor this time of the year. So let's see how I styled this beautiful table. The nice thing about this style, as far as I am concerned, just about anything goes that is red, white, gold, and green, and maybe a little blue. I always start with a clean table, and then I put down a charger. This charger is clear with gold rim around the outside. It is placed on a dark wood table, which makes it come to life. I have a white plate that I got from TJ Maxx. It has flowers and butterflies. I know it's winter, but it is okay when you see what I've done with it. It is beautiful with scalloped edges trimmed in gold. This plate is set on top of the clear charger that is also trimmed in gold. I am using what I have to make this tablescape work. I did not run to the store to purchase anything new. Therefore, on top of the dinner plate, I placed a salad plate that is red around the edges and white in the middle. Next, I placed a dessert plate trimmed in gold with an etched gold tree in the middle with the word peace. Now, each dessert plate has either Jolly, Merry, and Joy that is beneath the tree. A gold coaster with scalloped edges is placed to the right of the charger. And on top of the coaster is a beautiful red wine glass with a clear crystal bottom. Next to the wine glass is a gorgeous gold-tipped scallop water glass. You know, I just searched my house and my cabinets for what I thought would work for this. And on top of the dessert plate, I placed a mini green wreath with the tree peeking out from the middle. Gold silverware with white handles tied all together with a white napkin and a gold napkin ring. A fork is placed inside the napkin ring for just a little pizzazz. Now, I did something a little bit different. A fabric tartan ring was added for a bit of color to the table setting. And I made this and I added it. So it's just, the ribbon was from Michaels and I just folded it inward. You can hot glue it if you want to, but I sewed, so I just sewed it and adhered it to the gold napkin ring with hot glue. So if I want to put something else on there, I can remove it. Now a green wreath is put in the middle of the table with a tall glass container. And these tall glass containers, this was from Dollar Tree, but I don't think they have them this tall anymore, but maybe. 2 crystal candlesticks are also on either side of the wreath, and white candles were put inside. A clear glass Christmas tree, along with a lighted tree, is also placed on the table. Then, you know, have to be a little extra, a little special. There was a star, and I can't remember exactly where I got it from. It may have been Pier 1 when it was in business. You can put the name of the person that is going to be sitting at that place setting. And this is just a little extra to let the guests know how special they are. Gold and red Christmas ornaments are placed around the wreath with a crystal deer standing at attention on both sides of the wreath. This is an amazing tablescape, and hopefully it will get you in the mood for the holidays. Tablescape Tuesdays is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. There are others that will be participating, so make sure you follow hashtag Tablescape Tuesdays 2025. If you have liked what you've seen, please subscribe. I would love to have you in the family. Like, save, and comment. Tablescape Tuesdays is a great collaboration because it allows me to be creative. Crafting is very satisfying, and I always enjoy encouraging comments. Also, follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Threads, and Facebook. And thanks for watching each and every week. I appreciate all of my subscribers. And remember, peace begins with a smile from Mother Teresa. See you later. Bye-bye.